Welcome to our exploration of the best Carnival cruise ships, where we set sail into the grandeur and elegance of the high seas. Carnival Cruise Line, renowned for its fun-filled atmosphere and vibrant offerings, has a fleet of magnificent ships that cater to every traveler's dream. Today, we delve into the highlights of these floating paradises, examining what sets each one apart in creating unforgettable voyages. Journey begins with the Carnival Mardi Gras. Named after Carnival's first ship, Mardi Gras is a triumph of modern cruising. Launched in 2020, it redefines the cruising experience with its impressive size and innovative features. One standout feature is the Bolt, the first ever roller coaster at sea, offering thrilling views of the ocean from high above. With 6 distinct zones, including the French Quarter inspired by New Orleans, passengers can indulge in diverse dining options and lively entertainment. Mardi Gras truly embodies the spirit of celebration, making it a favorite among cruisers. Next on our voyage is Carnival Horizon, a ship that balances relaxation and excitement perfectly. Known for its family-friendly amenities, Horizon features the Dr. Seuss Waterworks, an aqua park that delights both kids and adults. The Cloud9 Spa offers a sanctuary of tranquility, allowing guests to unwind and rejuvenate. Dining options, like the bonsai teppanyaki, provide exquisite cuisine, making each meal an adventure. Whether it's catching a mesmerizing show at the Liquid Lounge or savoring a cocktail at the Havana Bar, Carnival Horizon offers a well-rounded experience for every traveler. Sailing onward, we come to Carnival Panorama, the first new Carnival ship to be home-ported on the West Coast in more than 20 years. Its Adventures at Sea theme caters to active and adventurous travelers. The Sky Ride, an aerial cycling experience, lets you pedal your way to panoramic views of the ocean. Panorama's culinary scene is just as thrilling, with the Fahrenheit 555 steakhouse and the authentic Italian eatery Cucina del Capitano. Tailored for fun-loving guests, Carnival Panorama ensures a memorable journey filled with exploration. Now, let's explore Carnival Vista, the ship that redefined outdoor experiences at sea. Vista features the breathtaking Sky Course, a ropes course that lets guests traverse high above the deck while taking in the expansive ocean views. Its IMAX theater offers a cinematic escape with the latest blockbusters. For those seeking serenity, the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat provides a serene oasis away from the bustling activities. With its dynamic range of options, Carnival Vista offers an immersive experience that appeals to all ages. Finally, we arrive at Carnival Breeze, a ship celebrated for its laid-back elegance and variety of entertainment. With the largest aqua park in Carnival's fleet, Breeze is perfect for those who love water thrills. The ship's entertainment scene abounds with options, from Broadway-style shows to live comedy at the Punchliner Comedy Club. For food enthusiasts, Guy's Burger Joint and the Blue Iguana Cantina are must-visit spots. Carnival Breeze captures the essence of relaxation and fun, making each voyage a cherished memory. As we conclude our journey through the best Carnival cruise ships, it's clear that each vessel offers its own unique charm and attractions. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a blend of both, Carnival's fleet is designed to elevate your cruising experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the high seas. We wish you smooth sailing on your next Carnival adventure.